Student, today we are going to learn difference between jet condenser and surface condenser, comparison of jet and surface condenser, left side jet condenser, right side surface condenser. Number 1, for jet condenser, cooling water and steam are mixed up. Cooling water and steam in direct contact. Number 1, for surface condenser, cooling water and steam are not mixed up. Steam flow inside the tube and cooling water outside surrounding the tube. Number 2, for jet condenser, here less suitable for high capacity plant. Number 2, for surface condenser, it is more suitable for high capacity plant. Number 3, for jet condenser, condensate is wastage. Condensate is not reused as condensate mix up with cooling water. Number 3, for surface condenser, condensate is reused. Condensate used again and again as condensate not mixed up with cooling water. Number 4, for jet condenser, it requires less quantity of circulating water as condensate and cooling water direct contact. Number 4, surface condenser, it requires a large quantity of circulating water as condensate and cooling water not direct contact, only surface contact, steam inside tube and outside tube cooling water. Number 5, for jet condenser, its maintenance cost is low. Number 5, for surface condenser, its maintenance cost is high. Okay. Number 6, for jet condenser, more power is required for air pump as air coming through circulating water mixed directly with condensate. Number 6, for surface condenser, less power is required for air pump as air coming through circulating water not directly mixed up with condensate. Number 7, for jet condenser, high power is required for water pumping. Here, as condensate and circulating water both are pumped out. Number 7, for surface condenser, less power is required for water pumping as only condensate are pumped out. Okay.